All right. Hey guys, crude oil Sunday, August 13th, 2023. This is my personal video trade journal, not to be taken as advice. Follow the professionals. Looking at the monthly, I put some fibs on here. The thing that's really most interesting to me on the monthly is that we did break above the December high last December, and we did break above the April high. So this has obviously covered this entire range, this correction down here. And now we've come all the way back up and poked above the top of that range. So, okay, that in and of itself, okay, that's something. But as an Elliott wave person looking for parameters, that in and of itself is not, am I going to go long right here? Absolutely not. I put some fibs on there so you can see if this is a wave 3, which will show a little more detail, then it's either already topped and creating a wave 4 now, or we've topped correctively, and that is the top, maybe, and we're about to come down and really get a fifth, this C wave to come all the way down into here. But I'm not saying that. I can't really get that predictive here, especially on a monthly. But looking at the weekly, drill down one more level, you can see the details now of this chop fest. But now you can see the fibs a little more clearly. And this resistance zone, the supplied demand zone that I put on there in October of 2021, price does like to interact with that. I mean, it's crisscrossing it, but then it was acting as resistance. So now we're popping up into that resistance zone, which kind of coincides with where wave 3 may be. Interesting. If you're a bull, you're watching this stuff real carefully. You actually don't want to just see it keep coming here. It's extending. You want to see a wave 4 and then another shove above this resistance zone. The technicals allow for that. Price is bullish. Let's drill down one more level. Looking at the daily, now you can really see a little more detail. Now, this is where I am seeing the bull-bear battle right here. So if you're looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, and this is a wave 4, and this 1, 2 is really an A, B, C, we're getting long in the tooth for this to be a C wave. It's really extending, and it's up in the air because this looks more like a 1, 2, 3 to me. But the overall structure, this is horrible looking, just in terms of Elliott wave and the wave just measuring stuff. So I don't, it's like low confidence. I've just been scalping to the long side. I've been stopped on a few short attempts, but I'm scalping both directions. I'm equal opportunity. But at the moment, I'm going to take off longs. I'm in a long scalp right now, left over from late last week, but I will take it off. Or is that midweek? I will take it off at break even if it starts coming back down directly from here. But I think it could give another squiggle or two higher. Look at the technicals on the daily. Topping, about to curl, but could cross over right there. Look at the RSI, definitely in topping area. Look at the negative divergence on the price volume trend oscillator. Look at the net volume, hit the upper boundary there and came down. So it's possible that wave 3 is already topped. You get a corrective pullback. This is really the next clue right here. Corrective pullback or not. Let's look one more level down, 4 hour. This 1, 2, this is a September contract. 1, 2 coming up into 3. Look at this divergence, negative divergence. Totally could be topping. Maybe it already topped. Negative action here. Could have topped or could get another squiggle or two higher. But this is what bulls want to see, I think. Because if this is an ABC, it needs to be done already. It really does. If it needs to, this is your last chance for wave 4. You got a negative divergence there. So a pullback of some sort is absolutely imminent, in my opinion. And this is what you want to see if you're a bull. Coming down here, 78, 77. But if it comes down here, this is really the tell, I think. If it comes down here impulsively and gets below this box, then I think the bears are going to get a nasty, nasty low coming. But if it holds this support area and gives you a fifth wave, by the way, if it did hold it as I've got it drawn up here, then the relationship of this fifth wave would be proportional to this wave 3. So if this finishes off a fifth wave, this would be wave 5 of 1 of the larger degree 5, then you're not going to get much above. You shouldn't get much above 91, and ideally it's 88, 82. Yeah, 88, 82. So there you go. A whole bunch of words. Price is king. Let's see what happens. Good luck. Follow the pros. See ya.